Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel. So we are looking into real exam questions. So that's the third one from here, which is Rothwell Road to St. Olave's Road. So these are our 2 points, red and green. So like always, we are traveling from the green point to the red point. So let's zoom in. So you're going to start from Rothwell Road. So you click on the green point, and then we can start from here. So let's get out of this road, keep going straight from here, straight, staying on the left, and keep going straight. So we're going to come out on this main road that is the lodge A1153. So turn left from here. So now here, if you see, this is the roundabout. Okay, so we are not on the top of the road, so this is why we're gonna take the roundabout. We can't go straight from there, so we're just taking the roundabout. So just follow this this roundabout, come out, and then just take the road, and then it's gonna be a straight path from here. So let's move, and then just don't touch the sidelines. Make sure you try to keep the line as straight as possible, and don't try to make too big lines from here when we are clicking. All right, so keep going straight from here. There is nothing here, so you can just follow this path, staying on the left side and going straight. So let's zoom out to see where our point is once again. So that's the point. So we are following the right path. So let's zoom in. Keep going straight from here. From here we can simply go left. Then keep going straight again. This is a roundabout again here. So we'll just go around this roundabout. And then we'll just go straight from here. Just follow the road. That's the whole point. So keep going straight. Another roundabout will come. Just follow this roundabout as well. So we can see the point is on the left side, down there on the left side. So this is why we're coming down from here, from this exit. Again, another roundabout here. So we'll take this roundabout as well, and then we'll just keep going straight. This is a one way, we can't go back in, so we'll just go straight. And if you see here again, from this point we can't go back in, right? Because this is the line, the bold line. So we need to go straight, and then from here we can go back up, which is a one way. So here we can go straight, and then just click on your red point. So now let's zoom out to see the paths. You can see that is the most simple and the straight path that we have created here. These are real exam questions. It came in the exam as well, so you just need to practice these questions, and you always contact us to get the training as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.